This item is a moisture meter, a wood moisture meter, and it's gonna come in handy, especially when I'm in Florida, because everything there is so humid. And so here we're gonna open it up, and you see it comes with a little screwdriver, I think, to put the batteries in. And then here's the little meter. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see, try to aim it down slightly. There we go. And so that's the thing there. It's kind of funny that it comes with a screwdriver to put it in, but I guess that's handy because I don't have a screwdriver handy anyways. So let's see what we got here. Okay, that's that. And get that open. Let's open up the batteries. I always love these batteries that are sealed in so tight. But just AA batteries, or AAA batteries. It's nice that it comes with them though, because pain in the butt to have to go and get them all the time. So there we go. So this is it. I'm not gonna put the see what we're gonna do. No, that's the product here, and it comes with all the instructions here, which is good. Got it all there. Wow, a lot of instructions. And so I gotta flip this back. There we go. And so there's the little pins. And so you just jam it in the wood, poke it into the wood, very sharp, and then it'll tell you the moisture content. I mean, there's not much to it. It's just pretty cool. So I'll be able to know if things are gonna be expanding. So when I build a deck or something like that, so you know if they're gonna expand or if it's already fully expanded, if it's already got the moisture in it. So pretty nice little contraption. Excited to use it soon. And I obviously put the batteries in wrong, so because it didn't go on. I'll fix the batteries up here for a second just so you can see it on. So that's what it looks like on. And then I have a pretty high moisture content, seeing as I'm human.